Everybody mute up. Here we go. Now, is Addie here today? Addie is going to be our teacher helper. Are you feeling good? Okay? Are you feeling okay today?
Yeah, it's just last night my throat hurt as bad as it could.
Oh no, are you okay to do this?
Yep, I'm okay. Participate, be respectful, on time, microphones muted, include full name and Zoom window, stay seated, eyes on me.
Thank you, my love. Don't go anywhere. What's today?
Today is Thursday, May 11, 2023.
That's right. Oh, she caught my boo-boo. It's supposed to be on Thursday, isn't it? Thank you, Addie. Great job. A couple reminders. In just a couple of days, I will be downtown helping with the FAST test, so there will be no live lessons on Monday or Tuesday. I don't know when I'll get back to the office. If I get back early enough, then I'll let everybody know we can do DBAs. But right now, I don't know what time I'm getting back. We also have the last day of school coming up very quickly, and we have Fun Fridays tomorrow, every Friday at 11 a.m. in our Zoom room, and we're going to have a blast tomorrow. And then also, how are you being nice to your mom? It's Mother's Day on Sunday, so I hope you celebrate that. Okay, our weekly spotlight winners are Miss Mackenzie for being an awesome Zoom promise keeper, and she'll pick the game if we have time at the end. That's why I'm talking so fast. Isaac, amazingly detailed responses, and Ava for working hard. Okay, let's do it. What are we doing today? Today is our math year-end review. This is part 1. On the very last week of school, we'll just go over a few more modules and be done for the year, okay? Modules 1 through 7 and modules 8, 9, 10, 11, I think, are in this one. So I'll meet you over in the Nearpod. Let's see how much you remember from the school year, from our math lessons. You might need a piece of paper and a pencil for at least 1 or 2 questions. So it's not very many, but a couple of questions you might need to work out, okay? Might need to solve. I have 8 friends in already and you guys rock. Let me go ahead and get started. Everybody, please, please send some love and strength to Nearpod. Let's make sure it works today. Give it some hearts, quick. Give it some hearts. Thank you. Let's do it. First thing is, oh, we need more love. More love. Come on, Nearpod. You can do this. You can do this, Nearpod. It thinks it can do it. Oh, yeah. Okay, there it is. Let's go to, we never did sports. Let's hope that works today. Choose your player. Remember that this first quiz is everything from the first semester. Everything. Sample questions from the whole first semester of 2nd grade. We have some more friends joining. Ooh, cool. Hello, guys. While you're joining, I see hello. I will say hello to Emmy and Mackenzie and Madison and Addie and Viviana and Lucian and Leon and Asa and Mark and Toby and Isaac's here. And I hope I didn't miss anybody. I think, oh, Viviana. Hello, Viviana. Now, if you're just joining, please. Whoop.
Hi.
Hi, hi. Keep muted. Okay, okay. Good, good, good. If you're just joining, grab the Nearpod link so you can join. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 friends in. I want more. Here comes Carter. Oh, must be a slow internet day. Okay, let's start our first quiz. I'll read them. 15 minutes. Half past means 15 minutes past the hour. True or false? Is half past mean 15 minutes or no? It's false. 30. Half is 30 of 60 minutes. Half is 30. Okay, so it should be 30. Next question is, what time does this clock show? Look very carefully. Is it 3:20, 4:15, or quarter to 4? Ooh, some people need some practice with clocks. I can feel it in my bones. 4 and 15 minutes after. Look at the shorthand first. It's 4 and then count 15 minutes after. 4:15, B. Next question. What time does this clock show? 12:30, 12:30, or both? It's both. Both answers might be correct. Does it both say 12:30 and you can also say 12:30? Aren't there two ways to say it? I hope you said C. Change your answers to C, guys. C. C. Both answers were supposed to be correct. 12:30 and 12:30, it's the same time. It's just different ways to say it. What is the value of 2 nickels? What's the value of 2 nickels? I see some correct answers. 2 nickels. Who can count by 5s? Yes, Carter. Can you join the Nearpod? You can go try. I put the link in there. And if you said C, you got it right. 5.10. 2 nickels is 10 cents. 2 nickels is 10 cents. Right. Which set of money do you think is worth $1.07? Open it up, look carefully. It has to be $1.07. A, B, C, or D? $1 and then 7 cents. Okay, if you said D, you got it right. That's $1, a nickel and 2 pennies. That's 7 cents and $1. 5, 6, 7. Okay, which set of coins is worth 85 cents? 85 cents. 85, not 75. Most people got it right. That's wonderful. If you said A, you got it right. Excellent. Love that question. Okay, solve this problem. 35 plus 26. 35 and 26. I hope you're not starting with the tens place. It's like something needs to be done to the ones place, don't you think? C, 61, because we had to regroup the ones place. Yeah, have to regroup that ones place. It's too big. Solve this one. 64 minus 32. You could just do place value here. Yeah, place value. Carter, I'm sorry, I'm in the middle of the quiz. Go ahead and join. 32 is right. And guys, piece of paper might help you. You can type in the chat or join the Zoom, okay? I mean, no, that's not right. Join the Nearpod. Solve 64 plus 23. And you can also type the answer in the Zoom chat. I'm watching that as well. If for some reason you can't join. But I see Carter there. 64 plus 23. Oh, that's so easy. Ones place, got it. Tens place, got it. Yes, B, 87. I added the ones place, and then I added the tens place. 87. When subtracting 92 minus 67, what is the first step we should do? Should we subtract 7 minus 2, 9 minus 6, or regroup? Regroup because we don't have enough. In the ones place. Look at that ones place. Put up 2 fingers. Can you give away 7? No. So, number 7's not right because that's not even what the problem says. It's backwards. It should be C. We have to regroup. We don't have enough ones. What is the value of the tens shown in the picture? Just the tens. Just the tens. Just the tens? What's the value? Just the tens. Don't count the ones. That's not what it's asking. Uh-oh, I see some answers, but I didn't say how many tens. I said what's the value of them. You should say 20. 2 tens is 20. That's the whole value. Yeah. Okay, B is right. 20 is the value of 2 tens. Which answers are correct? 40 plus 6, 4 tens and 6 ones, 46. All the answers are correct, Mrs. Cruz. They all say the same thing. This is a trick question. D, they all say the same thing. The values are all, you're celebrating. 40 plus 6, 4 tens, 6 ones, 46. No, they're all right. Different ways to say them. Which number in is, that's supposed to say is 10 less than 47? Which number is 10 less than 47? Oh, wow. A lot of people getting this one right. Just take away a 10. Used to have 4, take away a 10. Now you have 3 tens. The answer is C. 3 tens, 7 ones. Don't mess with the ones because it said just take away a 10. Which number is 10 more than 89? Add a 10. Add 1 10. Add 8. Add 1 more. 8 tens. Now I have. Oh, yep. You're listening to me. I love it. If you said A, you got it right. Nice. Ooh, we're close to the end. Oh, we're going to deserve a brain break, aren't we? The expanded form. Pull that number 432 apart. What is that? 432 or 400 plus 30 plus 2 or 432? What's the expanded equation form? What? The expanded equation form. Anybody see an equation? Who's in the red? You're hearing me say equation. It's B. It's B. Ah. You hear me? Equation. That usually has the pluses and minuses or action. The missing number. What's the missing number in the pattern? I'm looking at that pattern. Looks like the ones place is always the same. Always ends with the same number. What's changing? Oh, the tens place. Yeah, good. Oh, you guys are good with patterns. Yep. 67, 77, 87, 97. They all end with 7. The other answers don't end with 7. So the ones place Oops. Okay, let's go to this one. 87 is greater than 78. True or false? Is the alligator or shark eating the correct number? He likes the bigger number. If you said true, 87 has more tens than 78. So it's definitely greater. You should have said true. Oh, 3 more questions. 89 is less than 79. True or false? Are you hearing me? I said 89 is less than 79. True or false? That's a big false. That's right. If you said B, you got it right. 2 more questions. We're gonna really need that brain break. Which number is the greatest? Oh, look at the place value. Make sure you look at every place value. Hundreds, tens, and ones. Which one of those numbers has the greatest value? Well, it can't be A. That doesn't even have enough hundreds. Let me look at B and C. Ooh, wait a minute. Yes! If you said C, you got it right. It has 4 hundreds, but it has more tens than B. So it's greater. The numbers are ordered from least to greatest. True or false? True or false? Least to greatest? It starts off with the least number? What? That's right. Sometimes you have to read those questions again, don't you? Like, wait a minute, what is it saying? That's right. Excellent. Look at those scores. I am so proud of you guys. And if you feel like you didn't do as well as you'd hoped, I'm going to share this. Please practice this and then sit down with your learning coach and see which answers you're missing. Sometimes I get the sense that you guys just click anything. And you can't really do that on a test. You have to stop and think. All right, I throw a lot of trick questions in there, don't I? Now, all right, we need a brain break. Boy, do we need a brain break. Go ahead and solve the maze as fast as you can. Oh, it's not going to let me see it. Nearpod stinky. Okay, you're going to have about 30 more seconds to... Toby, your hand. What's up? What's up?
I'm done.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, Mackenzie, do you have a question? Was that hard?
I submitted my answer.
Okay, I can't see it. It's okay.
Okay.
You know, Nearpod doesn't like me anymore. I must have really overworked it. Okay, guys, are you ready for the next quiz? These are much shorter. Much shorter. Carter, do you have a question before we go on?
On that one question, it literally gave you the answer. It was like 64 minus 32. It equaled 32. So
It
it basically gave you the answer.
Yeah, you know what that, oh, look, it finally came up. You're right. It was a double fact. That's exactly what it was. Good job noticing that. All right, guys. So I'm going to, wow, look at that. Look at that. You can see everybody's work now. If you look at my screen. Yep. Guess what? There's 2 more. So let's get to it. Okay. All right. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh, let me mute them. Okay. It's thinking. Come on, Nearpod, you can do this. Come on. Oh, good. Phew. All right, so this is 2 of the newer modules, okay? And I don't know if you'll need any paper to solve this one, but go ahead and join the game. I know in the last quiz we definitely have. a question or two. It's easy, huh, Marvin? All right. Join. Choose your player. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. This is a shorter quiz, but still important. How many 10s are in this number? How many 10s? Not what's the value, just how many 10s are there? 66 or 3? I see the answer. See the red? You're not listening. I didn't say what's the value. I said just how many 10s. It's 6. It's 6. If I had asked what's the value, that would have been 60. Gotta listen. Look at the place value model. Open that up. What is this sum of 323 plus 46? Who's really, really good at counting place value models? Yeah? So they're asking you to add all those up. And then choose the sum. Oh, good. Yes. 300, 6 10s, 9 1s, 369. There was no regrouping, was there? Okay, now I'm adding. What do you think the sum is? Oh, this is a tricky one. I am adding. What would be the sum? Please don't just randomly pick. Count. Looks like there might be a regroup. Oh, so much red, so much red. Don't you have to regroup those 10s? The correct answer was move one of those new hundreds over 524. 524. Okay, that's okay. Oops, look at this T-chart I made. What's wrong with it? What would be the correct order? I don't think it's in the right order, do you? Toby's laughing at it. He's like, no, that's not right. I messed up. Yes, it's B, the hundreds, and then the 10s, and then the baby ones on the far right. Very good. True or false? Data is made up of facts that show information, like numbers or words. Is that true or false? What is data? If it's numbers and words, then it's true. Yep. Oh, that was great. That was right out of the module. You remembered. Yes, data could be science data, math data, any kind of data. It's made up of facts that show information like numbers or words. Collect that data and report it, compare it. All right, look at this thing. I don't want to say what it is. What is that an example of? A pictograph, a bar graph, or a tally chart? What is that type of data collection? Is that a pictograph, bar graph, or tally chart? Miss Cruz, I don't see any tally marks. I don't see any tallies. I don't see any pictures. It's B. It's a bar graph. Look at those tall bars. That's a bar graph. The favorite color chosen least. The color that was chosen the least. Ooh, there's a keyword. Least. The color was chosen the least. Did I say most? No. I said least. Least. Tiny, tiny, tiny. What color's tiny? If you said red, you got it right. We surveyed our friends to determine their favorite fruit. How many categories did we use to represent the data? Count the categories. Was it 9 different categories, 7, 4, or 1 category? We surveyed our friends to determine their favorite fruit. How many categories were there? I have to look too. Apples, pears, bananas, oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you said 4, you got it right. There are 4 different categories. Apples, pears, oranges, and the other one. Last question. Comparing data question. How many more people chose green than blue? Look and find the equation that would help you solve that. How many people more people chose green than blue? Choose the equation that would help you find the difference between green and blue. Aha. 5 green, take away 3 blue. That will give you the difference. I hope you chose A. Yay! Ooh, nice work, guys. Okay. If you didn't get any points for that, you need to review, and I'll share this with you later. Oh, guess what? It's getting harder. Take your time. Don't get lost. I heard the marshmallows eat people. How'd you do? Oh, very nice. Oh boy. Some people crashed into a couple walls. That's okay. Emmy, you can't go through the wall. Nice. Ooh, that was a tricky one, Toby, wasn't it? Mackenzie got halfway and said, you know what? I don't want to go to the fire. Did it stop working? Yeah, it's okay. From here, it looks like you were just like, nope, I'm done. Beautiful. Addie found her way out. Awesome job. Okay, guess what? The last one's even harder. Are you guys ready for the last quiz? Oh, stretch. Oh, last one. I promise. Okay. Then the final brain break, and then Mackenzie's on deck for our game. Gosh, you know what? Remember yesterday's lesson about how it's important to think while you read? It's also important to think when you do math, isn't it? Think about the question. Think about how you can answer it. Think about the options or different answers they're giving you. Let's go to the jungle. Okay, choose your player. Woohoo! Nice work. Look at Viviana with her raincoat. I love it. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Also very short, but you definitely might need a piece of paper for this one. Which object shows a vertical line of symmetry? The potholder, the cake, or both? Which one shows a nice symmetrical slice through? Yeah, it was the cake, only the cake. Only the cake because if you folded the potholder, it wouldn't match. How many equal parts are there if a whole piece has been partitioned into thirds? How many is thirds? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Ooh, everybody knows this one. Yeah, it's... give you more seconds. Thirds is 3. That's right. If you chose 3, you got it right. Thirds. It even sounds like 3. This shape has been divided in a very interesting way. Look at the blue, the green, and the red. Is that halves, thirds, or fourths? Has that shape been divided into halves, thirds, or fourths? Let's see, how many different colors are there? That'll give you your answer. Yeah, if you said 3 colors, we have yellow, blue, and red. They each have 4 little squares. That means it's been divided into 3 different sections, thirds, and they're all equal. Examples of a 2D shape attributes are elbows, knees, faces, edges, sides, vertices. Examples of 2D shape attributes. If you were to describe a 2D shape, would you tell about its elbows and knees, its faces, edges, or sides, vertices? Yeah, C, sides and vertices. 3D shapes have faces and edges. What is the length of the shoe to the nearest inch? Make it nice and big, you can see. The nearest is 8. That's right, we always go to the nearest or closest number on the ruler. Meters and centimeters are part of which system of measurement? Metric or customary? If you've been in a DBA with me, you should remember the clue. Meters and centimeters are part of which system? Metric or customary? It's metric. M-E-T, M-E-T, M-E-T. That's right. It's part of the metric system. The best tool to measure the length of your car. Yardstick, ruler, or tape measure? Just your car. Just go outside, look at your car. Well, don't do it right now. Would you use a yardstick, ruler, or tape measure? You could use either a yardstick or a tape measure, but a tape measure is probably easiest. Carrie and his sister are comparing the lengths of fish that they caught. Which one of those statements is false? Look carefully. Only one of them is not right. If you said B, you got it right. 82 is not less than 78. No, can't be. I'd rather have $82 than 78. That little shark mouth should have been turned the other way for B. What is the difference between the lengths of the pencils? If you compare the lengths of the pencils, what's the difference? Is it 4 inches different, 8 inches different, or 5 inches different? Aha. I love the people who are subtracting. 8 minus 4. Take away the big number minus the small number, and that will give you 4. If you said A4, you got it right. Last question. Maria has a pencil that's 16 centimeters long. Paul has a pencil that's 3 centimeters long. How long are they in total? Total. Ooh, cube strategy, I know that. What's the total of 16 and 3? Yes, if you said B, you got it right. 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, nice work, guys. Oh, everybody got points for this one. Brain break number 3 and the final one. Oh, it's really tricky. From the green to the bottom. Yes, Emmy, good job to everybody. So sweet. Take your time, don't rush. It's like driving through town, you don't want to crash. can't see your work, but I know you are going to find your way out of the maze. It's hard. I know, Toby, you're right. I'll unmute you guys in just a moment, okay? Just want to get through this final thing. And then we're going to have our game. I wish I could see your work. Nearpod does not like me anymore. I make it work too hard. Somebody tell Nearpod that hard work pays off. Hold on, Mackenzie, I'm coming. Did you guys find your way out? You did? Okay, I'll trust you. I can't see it. So hold on for me. I'm going to fix everything here. And now, thank you for learning with me today. I will share this with you. Oh, everybody celebrate like the elephant. I will share this with you later today. And tomorrow I will see you for the, what will I see you for? Oh, 11 a.m. for our Fun Friday. I have a million DBAs to do in a little bit, but I want to hear from Mackenzie. If you can stay to play Mackenzie's game, please stay.